take all event. Good luck to all of you. Racing Jens is started. We have Stormtrooper. Break quick. Let us start. Moving up on the outside. Green Street. Speed Admiral is down on the inside. Has it coming. Sweet Eliza comes next. Cool Yellow. Then next online is Midnight Break. Squeeze Storm while Gifted Champ is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Green Street by about 2 lengths, and in second is Stormtrooper. Speed Admiral is down on the inside, and on the outside Port Sweet Eliza Squeeze. Cool Shello is on the outside. Then next online is Acid coming. Storm Midnight Break while Gifted Champ is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Green Street moving up now at the outside. Stormtrooper. Then next online Sweet Eliza. Speed Admiral comes next. Has it coming. Squeeze Storm now moving up. Then next online is Cool Yellow. Next online is Midnight Break while Gifted Champ is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Sweet Eliza now takes command by length and a half. Stormtrooper in second. Speed Admiral. Then here comes Storm now moving up in between horses as they swing for home. Sweet Eliza this time by about 4 lengths, followed by Stormtrooper. Storm is down on the inside. Speed Admiral is on the outside. Last 50 meters we have Sweet Eliza second. Close between Speed Admiral, Stormtrooper, Storm. Then comes Green Street and Midnight Break for your Super 6.
Anong datingan?